So now when it's all defrosted, all you have to do is you just cut the bag open and get the chicken feet. Hello, chicken feet. Okay. You don't want to cut the whole bag open so you can't put anything inside it, because you need to put all the nails in there and throw it away afterwards. Okay. Some of them might still be stuck together. Just run the hot water on them and then it should be great. In Philippines, in Filipino, you call chicken feet Adidas. But you still must run them after water because it will still be firm. If you want to use gloves, you can, but I don't want to use gloves. Don't worry if you see all these little things on there, they're just bruised. You can easily cut them off. So now your chicken feet is soft a bit, and you can move his fingers. Or now you can start cutting off the nails. Remember to always wash everything after using chicken. Okay. One done, and lots more to go. Now we put all the chicken feet into the pot. Okay, let's do this. Wait, you have to wash it first. This is the fastest chicken feet I've ever seen. Look at that. So fat. How tasty that gonna be. Wait a minute, then cut. If you see anything like this, you have to cut it off. Don't eat that, you're gonna eat it baby. So now you put some salt in there. So while the chicken feet is boiling, we're gonna make the sauce, and it's gonna make barbecue sauce. You will need paprika powder, pepper, vinegar, soy sauce, salt, sugar, ketchup, and that's it. And here we have some garlic. So now we're going to add all these up together and make the tasty barbecue sauce. So let's do this.
I am back. I love food. And I want to eat food. I want to eat food.
Okay, so now it's recipe. You need 3 tablespoons of sugar.
I got a table already.
Okay.
Well, just pour it in. I'll be tasting everything. I will be tasting everything. Why do you got sugar?
2.
Why do you got sugar?
And 3. Don't put a lot of sugar. You don't want it to taste too sweet. So next, you want 1 tablespoon of vinegar.
That's gonna be really sour.
Yeah, the tasty, nice smell of vinegar.
Well, we do need to put soy sauce after we put vinegar.
Oh, sugar. Get it? Sugar.
I do not get it at all. Now you put the vinegar. Wait, should I do?
Now you put 1 teaspoon of paprika.
But is that to put the soy sauce to put? Well, you know what everyone says. Booty. Buy one, take one.
And now you can put some garlic in there. Let's put some tasty garlic, shall we?
Okay. So it is that to put the soy sauce. That to put. Booty.
So now
Buy one, take one.
Garlic in there. Garlic.
Do you peel what is it called again? Oh, yeah, the shell. Do you pour it? Hope you didn't. You have to peel, everybody. Peel the garlic. Whatever happens, just peel the garlic. Peel the garlic.
Need some more. No, don't peel. You don't need to peel the
Can
garlic.
do it. Let's do it.
Oh,
How strong.
yeah. Wow.
I need to taste it. Mmm. That tastes nice. Mmm. Want to taste some more?
So now we're going to add some salt and pepper
Tasty.
just to give a nice kick in there.
Not too much. Just give that kick.
Some pepper.
Oh, wow. Just give that a kick of victory. Well, is that a pudding? Well, pudding.
Yeah.
Wait, buy one, take one. So now we do another vinegar. Well, it is once again. You have to hear it again. Pudding. Oh, you know. I'm keeping it wrong. Buy one, take one. Yeah, buy one, take one. Buy one of this and then take another one for free. Wait.
Now we're going to put some. Oh.
Oh.
Goodness. Oh.
No. This is terrible.
Oh my goodness.
I think I'll mess up the sauce.
Oh. Well, this.
Oh, what is this? What happened? What?
Yeah, taste it, my taster.
Okay, I'll taste it. Oh man, this doesn't feel good. It just made it worse. Don't really taste this with the
Let me
ketchup.
try some. Let me just mix it.
Yeah, it doesn't taste nice with the ketchup.
Because it's meant to make the tomato and stuff like that.
Yeah, that tastes like tomato.
Oh, it does actually.
Well,
Let's
now
put
we're
some
putting.
too black. So I'm going to put a little bit of soy sauce, but I don't want too much, or else it's going to turn black.
All the time the black. Well, kind of mix it.
Okay, let's try it.
We best stop trying it. That tastes better.
So guys, now we're going to put the barbecue sauce into here. And you can leave it in there as long as you want, so it can be sticky, and also it can also all you want to basically. All you have to do is